Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back in day 2 of learning abacus with Fatima. In the previous video, we learned how to hold the abacus and how to hold the pencil. We also learned how to move the beads using thumb and index finger. Today we will learn the value of each beads, how to place the numbers on the abacus and how to read the numbers on the flashcards. So let's start the journey of learning abacus. Make sure to zoom. It means now all the beads are in the position to start. Now the center. Can we see the center? There's a dot here. This is the units rod. This is the tens, 100s, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. And the beads on my right side, these are decimal points, or you can call it decimal numbers, which we will be learning in the later lessons. Now let's start with the units rod. The earth beads, always remember we use the thumb. Now we place the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this upper bead is 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 5 and 1, 6. 5 and 2, 7. 8, 9. Now, similarly, using our left hand, let's go to the tens rod. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 and 10, 60, 70, 80, 90. Same thing, we do it with the hundreds rod. 100, 200, 300, 400. And this is 500. Again, 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Now 600, 700, 800 and 900. Zoom. Now let's do the same with the thousands rod. 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. This is 5000. 6000, 7000, 8000 and 9000. You can also say the beads, the heaven beads are actually the multiples of 5. This is 5, 50, 500 and 5000. Let's have a quick recap of today's lesson so far. I would also like to remind you using the correct finger movements. Now let's have a quick recap. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've used my thumb. Now for the upper beads, I'm using my index finger. 5. So I'm pushing the beads down using thumb. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the index finger, this comes down and this with the thumb goes down. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the tens rod. 10, 20, 30, 40. And now this comes down 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Next, 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. 600, 700, 800 and 900. Zoom. Well, now let's see if you're confident enough to read the numbers on the abacus. What number is this? 2. Very good. This is 4. This is 5. Lovely. 30. 50, 60, 70. This is 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this becomes 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. This is how much? This is the hundreds rod and this is 500. Now it becomes 500, 600, 700 and 800. Amazing. Now I'll be showing few flashcards. Let me see if you're confident enough to use the flashcards. Let's read the numbers using the flashcards. We know the upper bead is 5. 5 and 1 becomes, very good, that's 6. 6. 1 and 5. It is 15. Very nice. 2 beads here and 2 beads here. That makes 22. Nice. 1, 2, 3. That is 10, 20, 30. 35 and 1. Correct. That is 36. Okay, there are more flashcards here. Now let's have a look at the flashcards and the abacus. Now this is the tens rod, the upper bead. The tens rod, the upper bead. The number is 50. Very good. That's 50. Now the next one. The tens rod and the units rod both have 1 bead each. That is, the value of each bead is 50 and 5. That is 55. The next one. Tens and units. Again 50 and 10. And over here it is 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. That makes 53. Is it correct? Okay, then what is it? It's 50 and 10. That is 63. Very nice. Okay, the last one. It's 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. And over here again all the 9 beads. That makes the number 99. Absolutely amazing. I hope you all are confident enough to read the numbers on the abacus and using flashcards. Now in the next video, we will learn how to add single digit numbers. And still, if you have any doubt, you can kindly message me, comment me below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video who all are interested in learning abacus. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.